In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add services in Wix. If you're setting up a business, offering appointments, classes, or courses through your Wix site is a great way to engage with your clients directly. Let's get started on how you can easily add these services to your site. First, you'll want to open your site's dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your site, from design to bookings. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the section labeled Catalogs. Under this, you'll find an option called Booking Services. Navigate there. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and organize the services you offer, making it simple to coordinate scheduling and client management. Now that you've reached the Booking Services section, you'll want to click on the button that says Add a new service. It opens up the options for you to start building your service offerings. Here, you'll see a choice between appointment, class, or course. Depending on your business, you can choose the option that fits best. For instance, if you're offering one-on-one sessions, appointment would be ideal. If you're planning group sessions, go for class, or if it's a structured learning plan, then course would be your choice. After selecting the type of service, Wix provides you with some templates to help streamline the setup process. You can either choose from these templates or, if you want more control over how your service is presented, click on Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch allows you to customize every detail to match your brand's identity and specific offering. Now, it's time to fill in the service details. First up is the service name. This should be clear and descriptive, giving potential clients a good understanding of what you're offering. Next, you'll want to provide a compelling description. This is your chance to sell the service by explaining what it includes and why they shouldn't miss it. After the description, set the price for your service. Make sure it reflects the value and is competitive within your market. Next, enter the duration of the service. Be precise here, as this helps with scheduling and managing expectations for you and your clients. Lastly, specify the location of the service. You have the flexibility to choose your business address, the client's place, or even a custom location depending on where your services are delivered. This allows clients to know exactly where they'll need to be for their appointment. Once you've filled in all these details, simply click Save to add the service to your site. It's such a straightforward process, and now your clients can see and book the services directly from your Wix site. Following these steps not only helps streamline your service offerings, but also enhances the overall customer experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy booking on your Wix site.